Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Easybcd and launching it as administrator. That ensures you can write boot configuration. Once done, make a quick backup of your current BCD from the Edit Boot menu tab so you have a restore point. Also, disable Fast Startup and Secure Boot if you plan to add legacy or non-signed entries. This prevents the firmware from blocking changes. Now open the Add New Entry page. We move immediately to creating a safe, editable boot menu entry. You now add or edit entries. Pick the correct OS type and target drive because Easybcd writes pointers to the chosen partition and the wrong target breaks booting. When adding Linux, choose Grub2 or NeoGrub as appropriate. For Windows, set the partition and create a readable name. Make sure to use the advanced options to set a sensible timeout and default, since that controls user experience. Once configured, save the changes and review the new menu in Edit Boot menu. You finish by applying changes and rebooting to confirm the menu works. Testing is essential because some firmware combinations require different chain loaders. If the system won't boot, don't panic. Boot from Windows Recovery Media, open a command prompt, and use the BCD boot or Easybcd restore tools to recover the NT loader. Make sure to keep your BCD backup and a recovery USB handy. That saves time and prevents data loss if you need to restore the prior configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.